What's good, everybody? It's Zell, celebrity barber, hairstylist, musician, and all-around artist. I've been currently working on this TV show with Netflix, and today I just wanted to unbox some new dope products that I feel like will help me to achieve the perfection I want in this TV show. So let's get into it. All right. By the way, this is from Hair Illusion LLC. They specialize in hair loss and hair retention, and they also deal with thinning and just being able to conceal like certain areas of the hairline or the cradle cap or certain things that go on thinning wise in the hair. Let's start off. Now, one of the most amazing things that I do love about this company is their atomizer. It's a custom atomizer. We'll get into it a little bit later, and I'll explain why I like this atomizer more. This. We got some water-resistant spray. All right. And what this does, obviously, resist the water. So when you put the product in, you spray this on, and that just allows you to be more aquatic with your movements and what you like to do with the product. So now we have also the regular fiber hold spray, and what we would do when the fiber is applied, all right, put the fiber, then you put the fiber hold spray, and then after the fiber hold spray, that's when you kind of come back in with the water resistant spray. Now let me just jump right into some fibers. I know there's some fibers in here. This is another atomizer again. Let's get some fibers. So, as you can see on the packaging, it says real hair fibers. What makes this product so different, right? And I'll show it to you when I start talking about the difference in the atomizers. But this is actual hair that is more so chopped down. If you're familiar with Afrotech, that is a similar type of, it's real human hair, and the thing with other fibers, they're more powder, keratin powders. This is actual human hair that when it's applied, the formula with their hold sprays and the water resistant sprays is actually able to hold that hair to the thinning areas or areas that you would like to enhance in the way that you'd like. So this is their one of their hair fiber packaging, and this is also another one. You know, this is which color is this one? This color is, as you see, it says conceals bald spots, thinning hair, enhance your hairline, beard, ideal to blend with wigs and extensions. That's where we're going right there. Works perfectly for thin edges. I'm trying to see, where is this? Where is the color on this one? Oh, right at the top. Right at the top. So the color is dark brown on this one, and then this one is brown. All right. So we have a dark brown and brown. It's another one. This is black. All right. Another dark brown. Okay. Brown again. You know, they really hooked it up on this package. Black. Some more fiber hold spray. Some more. That might be the same one that I picked it up. Hey. And then we have some hairline optimizers, right? Let me just throw this back in here real quick. And actually put down these two. So, hairline optimizers. I'm gonna open this up. So, this is for you to have more a natural line. You know, you have the sharp corners for when you would like to, you know, enhance just sides of the hairline. We have the round corner for more of the top of the head. These hair optimizers, they're just used in place to apply the fibers correctly, and so it's not too messy. That's basically what it is. I'll show you how, when we put the product on a client, I'll be able to show you exactly how that works, right? And then, you know, they threw in some Hair Illusion t-shirts, all right? You get that logo in here, you know? This is so fire. Like, let's see this t-shirt? Come on. Hey, shout out Sal from Hair Illusion. Shout out to the whole Hair Illusion team. Thank you guys so much for sending the products and the swag my way. It's going to great use, you know? Like I said, perfectionist, this is going to make it perfect. I already know. I have full confidence in the products. Please stay tuned for the next part where we're going to do a compare and contrast, or comparison of the Hair Illusion hair fibers, other hair fiber brands, and we'll just see in what use case scenarios what is for what. Because I love all these hair fibers, but this one specifically, like I said, is real hair, and I'm working on TV and film, so I need the camera to read that product. So until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely go in the comment section. Let me know other things that you like to do for whether it be with wigging or whether it be thinning or just enhancing a hairline. I'd love to hear your opinions, and so I can even have any other questions I can talk about in the next video when I'm doing the compare and contrast. So until next time, peace.